Number 1. Find the sum of 16 terms of the arithmetic sequence 5, negative 2, and negative 7. First is you have to find the our given variable, which is sum 1, common difference, and our last term. Our first term is 5, and our common difference is negative 4, and our last term is 16. We use the formula of S sub n is equal to n over 2 multiplied by 2 sub 1 plus quantity of n minus 1 times 2. After that, we have to substitute the given in our formula, which is S sub 16 is equal to 16 over 2 multiplied by 2 times 5 plus quantity of 16 minus 1 times negative 4. Here, we have to substitute our last term, which is magiging 8. Tapos po, compute natin yung mga naka-parentheses. 2 times 5 is 10, and 16 minus 1 is 2. Mas mababa lang po natin yung formula. Ganun pa rin po, i-multiply muna natin yung 6 sa negative 4, which is magiging negative 60. Tapos, then, i-plus natin negative 60 sa 10. Then, magiging negative 50. Kasi na-times natin siya sa 8. Na-times natin siya sa 8, which is magiging negative 40. Number 2. Mrs. Nereo suggests that each student should start to read 3 pages of the given book. She then asks to increase the number of pages by 2 every day. How many pages should each student have read in 1 week? First, sabi dito, i-start sila sa 3 page. Then, sabi niya dito, kinabukasan daw, magdadagdag siya ng dalawa. Which is, dadagdagan lang natin ng dalawa ng 3, tapos yung 5, 8 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 plus 2 is 11, 11 plus 3 ay 13, 3. Sabi dito ay 1 lang, kaya pang 7 terms na naman yung last one. Then, gawin na natin yung given yung mga value ng variable nito. Yung n ay last term. N, our first term, n, last term. And then, we use the formula of S sub n equals to n over 2 times a sub 1 plus a sub n plus 2. Then, isa-substitute natin yung given na to sa formula natin. Magiging 7, S sub 7 is equals to 7 over 22 times 3 plus 15. Plus muna natin yung last ng first term. Magiging yan siya 18. Tapos, dahil bawal ito i-divide sa 2, ita-times natin yung numerator sa denominator sa denominator. Which is magiging 7 times 18 is 126 and 2 times 1 is 2. Then yung i-simplify natin ito. Tapos makukuha na natin yung total weight na which is 63 pages.